Hey guys, welcome to Cooking With You. This is Chan, and for today's video, we're making a delicious Cambodian coconut corn on the cob that's grilled to perfection. So let's get started. So as usual, the ingredients, recipe, and directions will be in the description box. Take 3 to 5 green onions, so depending on how big or small they are, you'll need about 5 if they're small. We're gonna cut them very thinly. Put them into a bowl and to the side. In a medium-sized pot on medium heat, pour in 400 milliliter of coconut milk, which is an entire can. And then pour in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and stir quickly to completely incorporate it with the coconut milk so that we can avoid clumpy parts. Now add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt, so depending on your preference of saltiness, add more or less. I use 3 because I like it salty. So after constantly stirring the mixture, you'll come to a thick texture like this. So once you have it, immediately turn off the heat and add the chopped green onions and stir it until it's all incorporated and transfer to a medium-sized bowl. Now onto the grill. At medium heat, place the corn on the cobs with the husk and silk removed. I like to keep like a few inches of the shank so that it's easier to turn the corn on the grill and it's easier to eat without getting your hands dirty. Brush the coconut milk mixture all over the corn and cover the barbecue lid for about 2 to 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, turn the corn around and you'll see that it has become opaque. You'll need to turn the corn over about every 2 to 3 minutes, and when you turn it over, don't forget to brush the mixture onto the corn. So at this rate, you'll apply the corn mixture about 3 times all over the corn until it gets cooked. So now once you see that the corn is a nice orange yellow color and it's slightly charred all over, it is ready. So remove it from the grill and brush on a bit of the coconut milk mixture and serve. There you go guys, Cambodian grilled corn with coconut milk, which in Khmer is bột ăn kti. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So alright, have a great day guys and take care.